In this video, we're going to checking out 5 best framing hammer you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation, and most importantly, reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best framing hammer in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is ESTWING Ripclaw Framing Hammer, the ESTWING Ultra Series. Hammer is built with a one-piece forged steel construction, which makes it incredibly durable and resistant to wear. The 19-ounce weight provides the perfect balance for most framing and general construction tasks, allowing for optimal power without being too heavy for extended use. The milled face of the hammer provides a better grip on nails, reducing slippage and increasing accuracy. The milled face of the hammer provides a more secure grip on the nails, helping to ensure that each strike lands precisely where intended. This feature is especially useful for framing and carpentry tasks, where precision is crucial. Weighing in at 19 ounces, the hammer strikes the perfect balance between weight and power. It delivers enough force to drive nails efficiently, while remaining light enough for extended use without causing strain. One of the standout features of this hammer is the shock reduction grip, which significantly reduces vibrations during use. The vibration dampening technology ensures a more comfortable experience, especially when striking harder surfaces. This grip is ergonomically designed to reduce hand fatigue, making it easier to work for long periods without discomfort. With its one-piece forged steel construction, shock reduction grip, and ripclaw design, it provides a balance of durability and ease of use for a variety of tasks. It is particularly effective for construction, framing, and demolition projects, making it a reliable tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Our second best framing hammer is IRWIN Framing Hammer. The 24-ounce steel construction of the IRWIN framing hammer provides excellent durability and strength. The steel head and shaft are built to withstand rigorous use, making it suitable for demolition, framing, and general construction tasks. This hammer is not only tough, but also designed for maximum performance, ensuring it can handle the force required for heavy-duty jobs without showing signs of wear. The hammer is designed with a non-slip, anti-vibration grip that enhances comfort and reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The ergonomic handle is well suited for long hours on the job, and the anti-vibration feature absorbs some of the shocks from impact, making it easier on the hands and wrists. The claw of the hammer is designed for prying and removing nails, making it highly effective for demolition tasks. The claw's curve is optimized for maximum leverage, ensuring that you can easily pull out nails or pry materials apart without excessive effort. The 24-ounce weight strikes an excellent balance between providing enough force to drive nails efficiently and being manageable for long periods. While it's heavier than some smaller hammers, the added weight is perfect for framing and demolition tasks that require substantial force. Although the hammer may be a bit heavy for precision tasks, it is an excellent option for framing, demolition, and general construction work. For those looking for a reliable and effective hammer, the IWHT 51024 is a top contender. Third pick in our list is VAUGHAN CF2 California Framer Hammer. One of the standout features of the VN 11600 is that it is made in the USA. This not only speaks to the quality and craftsmanship of the hammer, but also ensures that you're purchasing a tool designed and built with high standards of manufacturing. The hickory handle adds both strength and shock absorption. It's ergonomically designed to reduce hand fatigue, making it comfortable to use for extended periods. Hickory is a traditional material known for its toughness and ability to handle heavy impacts without cracking or breaking. The hammer's 19-ounce milled steel head offers a perfect balance of weight and power. The milled face provides better grip on nails, reducing slippage and enhancing precision when driving nails into various materials. The steel construction ensures the hammer will stand up to tough tasks, providing reliable performance in both framing and general carpentry projects. The integrated nail starter is a great addition, especially for tasks that require precision. This feature allows you to easily start nails with one hand, ensuring that the nail doesn't fall off or wobble as you begin hammering. It's particularly useful for working in confined spaces or when you need extra control. The hammer's milled face provides additional friction, making it easier to drive nails into tougher materials. Number 4 in our side is Fiskars Pro IsoCore 17-ounce framing hammer. Whether you're a professional contractor or a DIY enthusiast, the Fiskars Pro IsoCore is a tool that will help you work smarter and harder without sacrificing comfort or precision. The magnetic nail starter is an incredibly helpful feature, especially when you need to drive nails quickly and efficiently. The magnet holds the nail in place while you begin hammering, which makes starting nails a one-handed job. This can be a major time saver when working in tight spaces or during framing tasks. The 17-ounce steel head offers a perfect balance of weight and power. It is strong enough to handle heavy-duty tasks such as driving large nails into dense wood, while still being lightweight enough to allow for controlled and precise hammering. The rip claw design enhances versatility, allowing you to easily remove nails or pry apart materials when needed. One of the standout features of this hammer is the IsoCore shock-absorbing system. The handle is designed to absorb up to 70% of the impact vibration, significantly reducing the shock transferred to your hand and arm. This makes the Fiskars Pro IsoCore hammer incredibly comfortable to use, even during long sessions of hammering, while also helping to reduce hand fatigue. The hammer features a 16-inch fiberglass handle, which is known for its strength and durability. Last in our best framing hammer list is Stiletto FH10C claw hammer. The Stiletto FH10C features a titanium head, which is one of its most significant selling points. Unlike traditional steel hammers, titanium offers a lighter weight without compromising strength. The 10-ounce titanium head is durable and resistant to damage, making it perfect for driving nails with less effort. It also produces less recoil, reducing the shock felt in your hand during each swing, which translates to less hand fatigue, especially during extended use. The claw design is well balanced and provides superior leverage when removing nails. The curved shape allows for a solid grip on nails, ensuring easy extraction with minimal effort. This claw design is built to withstand heavy use, making it an essential tool for framing, demolition, or any project that requires robust nail-pulling capabilities. The hammer is equipped with a premium, non-slip rubber grip that is specifically designed to provide maximum comfort and control. The ergonomic handle helps reduce hand strain, offering a secure and comfortable hold, even in sweaty or slippery conditions. This makes the hammer ideal for use in both hot and humid environments. One of the key benefits of the titanium head is its ability to reduce vibration. This helps absorb shock with every strike, offering a more comfortable experience for users, especially during extended work periods.